Welcome to the world where culling isn't a chore, it's a breeze. I'm Justin, and today I'm your guide on a culling adventure with Aftershoot. Let's create some space for your masterpieces. Step 1, open up Aftershoot and you'll be greeted with a slick dashboard. Ready to start fresh? Click on Create a New Album. You can't miss it, it's on the left or that inviting button on the bottom right. Now it's time to start to dive in. Click on Start Culling and select the folder you want to cull. Importing from an external hard drive? Make sure to toggle the ingest and backup photos on. Safety first, we don't want any digital mishaps. With your photos secure, hit Start Culling. Here's where you choose your path. AI automated culling or AI assisted culling. AI automated is like having a trusted sidekick who brings forward the best shots. AI assisted, on the other hand, is your tool set for a hands-on approach offering key faces, duplicates, and image scores. Opt for AI automated culling to let Aftershoot's AI sort through your shoot. Select your shoot type, and let's explore automated or customized AI cull. Feeling decisive? Slide on over to Automated AI Cull to determine how many photos you get back with a simple slider. Or flip the switch to Customize AI Cull for precision control. Craving highlights? Toggle on Highlight Photos for those standout images. For duplicates, slide for size. Small for more variety of selections and large for less options selected. Blurry shots? Sharpen your preferences with blurry photo detection. And keep those eyes open with closed eyes detection. Set your standards, tailor your cull, and once you're set, unleash Aftershoot's magical unicorns with Start Culling. Post-cull, take a quick pass with handy keyboard shortcuts for any tweaks. Satisfied? Exporting is a snap. Choose your images, hit export, and send them off to Lightroom, Capture One, or a designated folder. Remember, on Windows, all images export with one click, while Mac offers more specificity. Admire your work, stars and all, knowing you've just saved precious time with Aftershoot. That's a wrap. You've just taken your first step into more efficient post-processing.